It's time for the annual OMG food video.
Hey, you made it!
Jokes aside, I do regret not being able to get this out for Christmas, which is sad.
If you promise never to do it again, I won't say anything.
But I hope you had happy holidays nonetheless.
It wasn't so bad.
Today we're making another recipe from Family Guy.
You gotta taste this lamb tagine.
It's not as crazy as some of the other ones we did.
Well, now wait a second. What do you mean?
This is lamb tagine. This is from the episode where Ryan Reynolds is attracted to Peter and asks him out on a date to a Moroccan restaurant.
Oh, Peter, Moroccan food is the jizz.
The scandalous controversy about this recipe is that lamb tagine isn't a specific recipe.
What? I never heard that.
It's just lamb cooked in a tagine pot.
Oh my god, that is surprising!
Which I don't have and I'm not going to buy.
Great.
Because we already have more kitchen appliances than space for them. So we're cooking this in a sauté pan.
See, it's the exact opposite.
Which is great because if you see it made in cookware you already own, you might be less apprehensive to try it for yourself.
I don't know. Looks like it might give me the kind of farts I get from eating Mexican food.
And if it's hard for you to get lamb at your local grocery store, like it is for many people, you can substitute your favorite cut of beef instead.
Yes!
So back to the point, the lamb tagine recipe we're doing today is lamb chunks, which we sauteed to get a nice, flavorful, colorful sear on them, and then slow cooked with aromatics, spices, tomato, dried fruits, honey, and lemon.
Right, we're cooking now.
You can make this with various different dried fruits. We did it with both apricots and figs.
Big deal.
Which I thought would be cool, but in hindsight, I think it would have been better with either one or the other, not both.
I think the whole thing was very strange.
And you can serve it with couscous, flatbread, or rice. I did rice because laziness.
It could be worse though.
And we just top it off with parsley and sliced almonds.
You did very good.
So to recap, it's just stewed lamb with dried fruits, tomato, and spices over your favorite carbs.
It is?
You know, I shouldn't suggest using your favorite carbs because I know some of you are going to try this with Cheerios or potato chips.
Don't embarrass yourself.
And to be extra authentic, we can eat it with our hands.
That was intense, what you just did.
Which is what like 20% of the world does.
Yeah, apparently it's like a thing.
Hope you guys enjoyed. Recipe is in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.
Bye!